All right, this is called the rabbit ears. The rabbit ears is just kind of like what we did with the butterfly, but a little bit simpler, looks a little bit more fun. I like it, but this is where you can add some speed. That's why it's a little bit further down the list. So we're gonna go straight to the outside. That's where the hard part is. Straight to the outside, around one cone, around every cone on this first part. Shoot to the outside cone, around this cone, okay? It's very symmetrical, okay? So here we go. So we're gonna go around this, shoot to the outside, go around this cone, around all of these cones, shoot to this outside cone right here, turn. Now you have to go left of this cone and then exit out. (18.71), or I'm sorry, 18.21. All right, same thing. Let's see if we can beat that time. I want you guys to try to beat my time here, okay? I'm giving you a little bit of a leeway because I'm trying to teach at the same time. So here we go. Left of this cone, outside, all around, outside cone, left side. So left, outside. Give yourself some cues. Outside, around. It's almost like a rally car driver, passenger, or spotter. Outside, left the middle, exit. (16.62), much better this time. Try to beat that time, guys. We're gonna move on to the octothorpe.